Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahdi English School. This video is for students of class 3 subject English. Let us read the thought for today. Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. Written by Thomas Alva Edison. So, means that whenever you fail, you have to try again and again. You should not give up. Means you should not stop trying. Keep on trying and keep on trying. Finally, you will succeed. And never ever give up. In our today's video, we will learn a new chapter, that is lesson number 12. Who is cleverer? This is the name of the lesson. It is in the form of a question. Who is cleverer? Means smart. Clever means smart. So who is cleverer? That you have to decide after reading the story. We will read the chapter today from the textbook. We will try to understand the story, and you have to underline the difficult words which come in the story. So dear students, what is the name of the chapter? Who is cleverer? That is the name of the chapter. So let us begin with the story. So here is the name of the lesson, Who is cleverer? About the play and warm up of the chapter. Let us do the warm up exercise. See, about the play. This is a role play. I hope you know what is a role play. When two people are talking with each other, that is a role play, a drama. So this is a kind of drama. This is a drama adaptation of the story of Hercules and the golden apples. What is the drama about? It is about the person whose name is Hercules and about the golden apples. Have you heard about the golden apples? It is very strange that how can apples be golden, because apple is a fruit. But have you seen golden apples? Yes, it is very strange, and here is the name of the main character, that is Hercules. So in this story we will read about Hercules and 3 golden apples. So what is there in the lesson? Let us read. The play starts with the king of Greece worrying over the fact that the people of Greece might want to have Hercules as their king. In this lesson, there is one king. The king of which place? Of Greece. He is very afraid that people like Hercules so much that they will make Hercules the king of Greece. Then the real king will have to leave his place. And who will take his place? Hercules. So the king of Greece was very afraid, because all the people liked Hercules a lot. In order to get rid of Hercules, he decides to send the latter on an impossible mission to fetch 3 golden apples from the garden of Hesperides. So what does the king of Greece do? The king of Greece, he gives one very difficult task to Hercules. What does he say? He gives the Hercules the task which is impossible mission, means which cannot be done, that he has to take out 3 golden apples from the garden of Hesperides. Hesperides is the name of that garden where there were 3 golden apples. So Hercules has to go there and he has to get 3 golden apples from the garden. And who gave this work? The king of Greece gave the work to Hercules. On the way, Hercules meets several people who direct him towards the garden. So when Hercules was going towards the garden, he meets so many people on his way. The last one was Atlas. Who was the last person who met Hercules? Atlas. He met Hercules. Atlas was the person who met Hercules. He was the last person who met him. He was a titan. He was a tall man. who has been ordered by Zeus to hold the sky on his shoulders for eternity, means forever, for lifetime. Atlas was standing there, and what was there on his shoulders? Sky was there on his shoulders. And who had given the punishment to Atlas? The god Zeus had given the punishment to Atlas, that he has to hold the sky on his shoulders forever, for lifetime. When Hercules comes there, he sees that Atlas was standing with the sky on his shoulders. Atlas offers to get the apples for Hercules if he will take over the task of holding the sky up. So Atlas does a very smart thing. He says to Hercules that I will go in the garden of Hesperides and I will get the apples for you. But can you hold the sky on your shoulders for some time so that I can go and take the apples for you? Hercules agrees, but later finds out Atlas plans to keep the apples himself and impress the king of Greece by presenting them to him. So, what happens here? Atlas goes, he gets the 3 golden apples from the garden of Hesperides. Then his mind changes. Then Atlas does a cheating. Atlas says to Hercules that I will not give you apples. I will give the apples to whom? To the king of Greece. He will give the apples directly to the king. Then the king will be very happy with Atlas, right? And the king will be angry with Hercules that Hercules did not complete his task, and instead Atlas completed his task. So the king of Greece will be very happy with Atlas. So Atlas said to Hercules that I am not going to give you the golden apples. I will directly go and give it to the king of Greece. He tricks Atlas into taking over the task of holding the sky and runs off to Greece with the apples. Then what does Hercules do? Hercules also was a very smart man. Hercules used his brain. Then he tricked Atlas, means he fooled him. He said something and Atlas took the sky on his shoulders back for 2 minutes. And meanwhile Hercules ran away from there and he gave the apples to the king of Greece. Did you understand the last thing? I said that Hercules tricked Atlas, means he fooled him. He said something wrong and Atlas agreed, and Atlas took the sky back on his shoulders. And meanwhile Hercules ran away from there and he gave the apples to the king of Greece, and the king was very, very happy. This was about the play. Now see, values and life skills. What do we learn from this chapter? That I will tell you first. Mythology is the attempt of ancient people to make sense of the world around them. It is peopled by gods, goddesses, and people of superhuman powers, and often offers an explanation of everyday things that is could not explain in those days, that science was not able to explain in those days. So here we are studying about a Greek mythology, and the name of the person is Hercules. Now see the warm-up exercise. Do you have smart friends? What are the qualities of a smart person? Do you know the qualities of a smart person? Discuss and write in the boxes. 2 have been done for you. Here you have to write the qualities. See, the 2 have been given. He speaks well. He is kind. What else can the smart person do? What are his qualities? He speaks well. He is kind. Then one more thing we can write. He is intelligent. Right? INTELLIGENT. Intelligent. Because that smart person can be intelligent. Then what else? What else can you think about the smart person? Can you think about the smart person? What can he do? Yes, he is very quick. Whatever he does very quickly. So he is very quick. Can you think about any other qualities of a smart person? Just like he speaks well, he is intelligent, he is kind, he is quick. Then what else? He has a sharp observation also. So observer, you can say OBSERVER, observer. He is a smart observer. Means whatever he sees that closely, properly. So he is kind, intelligent, quick, he speaks well. Then what else can a smart person do? Or what are his qualities? Just think about it and try to write the answer in the last box which is given over here. The smart person is also very careful. He takes care before doing anything. So, the smart person is a careful person. These are all the qualities of a smart person. So, do you think that you are smart? Then you should have these qualities which I have written. You should be kind, you should be able to help others, you should be intelligent, you should be quick, you should speak well, and you have to observe properly, and you should be careful also. Now, let us read the chapter from the textbook. So, today we are just reading the chapter. Please focus on how to read. You too have to read along with me. See that each and every word you can pronounce properly and clearly. So, read along. The name of the lesson, lesson number 12, who is cleverer? Means who is smarter? Who is cleverer? Let us read. See the warm-up exercise we have just completed. About that smart person, we have to write the qualities. Here is given kind, and there it was given speaks well, and we have written answers of all other boxes. I hope you have completed that activity in your textbook also. Now, the reading of the story. Let us read the story in detail, in depth, what is given. Do you know the story of Hercules and Atlas? It is a very old story. Read this play, adaptation of the story, to find out how the Greek hero Hercules used his wit to get out of a tricky situation. I am just reading so that you can understand the difficult words, and then afterwards I will explain. Which are the characters in this play? As I said, this is a role play. So, which are the characters? Narrator, the king of Greece, Hercules, and Atlas. These are the four characters. Narrator, the king of the Greece, Hercules, and Atlas. Now we will read. First, the dialogue is of narrator. A long time ago, there lived in Greece a strong and brave man called Hercules. The king was jealous of him. He feared that the people might crown Hercules king. So he would always set difficult tasks for Hercules to keep him away from the country. King, thinking aloud, the people love him a lot. I think one day Hercules will take my throne. I must give him a difficult task and send him away from my kingdom. Let me call him. Hercules. Hercules enters the stage, as it is a role play, so you should know that it is going on a stage. So now Hercules enters the stage. Hercules, bowing before the king. You called, my lord? The king says, Hercules, go to the garden of Hesperides. There is an apple tree in the garden. It bears golden apples. Bring me 3 golden apples from that tree. Hercules bows again. My lord, I will go at once. Now, narrator. Hercules sets off for the garden of Hesperides. First, he meets 3 maidens. Hercules asks them the way to Hesperides. They tell him to ask the old man of the sea. The old man of the sea tells him to go along the seashore till he meets a giant. The giant tells him to go and ask Atlas. Hercules carries on till he reaches a tall giant holding the sky on his head. Atlas, looking at Hercules, who are you? And what are you doing here? Atlas, I am Atlas, one of the tallest titans in the world. I have been punished by Zeus to hold the sky on my shoulders for eternity. Why have you come here? Hercules, the king has sent me to get 3 golden apples from the garden of Hesperides. Atlas, oh, you will never get them. A poisonous snake with 100 heads guards the garden. Hercules, what shall I do then? I promised the king that I would bring the apples. Atlas, giving a cunning smile, you can count on me to get them for you, but the sky cannot be put down even for a minute. Hercules, well, I can help you. I can carry it on my shoulders while you go to fetch the apples. Then, narrator. So, Hercules climbs a mountain. He is not as tall as Atlas. Then, Atlas places the sky on Hercules' shoulder and goes away happily. He is finally free of the burden and punishment. It takes so long to return that Hercules begins to wonder whether he planned to return at all. However, Atlas does finally return with the 3 golden apples. Hercules, with a relieved sigh, thank you, Atlas. May I have the apples now? Atlas, no, you may not. I am going to the king to give them to him myself. Also, I need some rest. I have held the sky on my shoulders for far too long. I am never going to hold it again. See, this is the image of Hercules and Atlas. This is Hercules, this is Atlas. See the difference. The sky is on the shoulder of Atlas. This is the sky, he is holding the sky on his shoulder. This is Hercules running away with the 3 golden apples. Can you see the 3 golden apples? Yes, he has 3 golden apples in his hands. So, did you know how this sky come on the shoulder of Atlas? As I told you, the god Zeus had given the punishment to Atlas, but he tried to cheat Hercules. Hercules was smart enough, so Finally, he ran away from there. See, let us read the further story. Hercules, with a kind smile, "Oh, I completely understand. In that case, I need to make some cushion to hold the weight of the sky and carry it easily. Can you hold it for just a minute more, please?" Atlas, "Oh, all right. Give it to me." Then narrator says, Atlas keeps the apples down near his feet, takes the sky back on his shoulder. Before Atlas can understand that he has been tricked, Hercules quickly picks up the apples and runs. He keeps running till he reaches Greece. He gives the golden apples to the king, who is so happy that he forgets his jealousy and welcomes Hercules with open arms. So here we completed the reading of the chapter. Now the explanation of the chapter will be done in the next lecture. For today, let us solve some of the interesting worksheets. So here is the worksheet for practice, the grammar worksheet that we are doing just for the practice. Choose the correct adverb from the word box and write the correct adverb on the line given for every sentence. Make use of the hint given in the parenthesis. Example, see the word box. Recently and carelessly. Our family recently moved into the new house. In bracket it is given when, so it is adverb of time. When did our family move? Recently, that is time. Then see the next. Now we have to solve the exercise which is given over here. Do write the sentences in your rough book. The words are given. This is our hint. We have to use these words and write the answers. Often, carefully, outside. Let us see number 1. Amit dash completed his project work. Amit dash completed his project work. How did he complete? Often, carefully or outside. So the answer is carefully. See, the spelling is already given over there. Carefully. Carefully. Amit carefully completed his project work. Here I write the answer carefully. See, the spelling is also given over here. Number 2. Grandpa dash drinks carrot juice in the evening. When? When does grandpa drink? Grandpa often drinks juice in the evening. Often means many times. It is such that mostly he drinks the juice in the evening. Means often. Often means many times. OFTEN. Often. Grandpa often drinks carrot juice in the evening. Number 3. The children went dash to play soccer. Means football. Where did children go? Often, carefully or outside? The answer here is outside, because here it is given where. That shows the place. So the answer OUTSIDE, outside. Where did the children go? The children went outside to play soccer. So these were the 3 answers of the blanks. Now see the next page. Read the following sentences. If the adverb underlined word is used correctly, then put tick mark. If it is used wrongly, then put a cross mark in the bracket. See the first one. Don't draw careful and met with an accident. Is it correct? Don't draw careful and met with an accident. Is it correct or is it incorrect? That you have to decide, and then you have to mark whether it is right or not. So here it is carefully. What should come over here? Don't draw carefully, not careful. So it is wrong. So we put a cross mark. Number 2. The patient waited patiently for the doctor. Yes, it is correct. The patient waited patiently. Patiently is an adverb. Means he waited for a long time. It is a correct sentence. Number 3. When will she come here? See, this is wrong. Because here it is given HEAR here. That is wrong. It should be HERE. So this is a wrong sentence. When will she come here? HERE. Number 4. My cat cannot jump any higher. My cat cannot jump any higher. So that is the correct sentence. Higher is the adverb which is used correctly. Number 5. The little calf is running around the park. See, the little calf is running around the park. Is she running around the park? She is running in the park. So this is wrong. Number 6. I have performed poor in examinations. That is also wrong. I have performed poor in examination. Poor is wrong, or poorly you can say. I have performed poorly in examinations. So here is a homework for you. The words are given. You have to make adverbs from that. See, for example, ready, readily. Then here the words are given. Number 1 I will tell you, lucky. So it will be luckily. See how to write the answer. LUCKILY. Luckily. Lucky, luckily. So one answer I have given you. And now rest of the answers you have to write in homework. That is your homework. You have to find out the answers. Please take the screenshot. You can just pause the video and you can take the screenshot, or you can just note down the words. There are total 8 words that you have to write the answers. What do you have to write? You have to make the adverbs from all these words. One I have done for you, and one is the example given. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.